Welcome back, everybody. My name is Angelik Laboy Torres. I'm a developer advocate here at Retool, and today we're going to be talking about something that surely is fun, very fast, and it feels like it's working with no caveats. There's no asterisk to the whole thing, but in reality, it could be a security nightmare. Yes, we're going to be talking about how to vibe code securely, specifically how to keep an eye out for bad spas, plus how to keep experimenting with guardrails to protect you. So let's get started. So why is vibe coding so popular? AI, more than ever, has made it extremely easy for anybody to build things, and fast. You can type what you want. I want to build a dashboard that takes my leads from my funnel table, and these are in Salesforce, so connect them there. And then poof, they're there in minutes, not hours. I mean, let's face it, it is really empowering. For my non-technical folks, it means that all you need to have is domain knowledge and an idea. For my engineers, it means that you get to really test out more. You get to try out more ideas that before you were boggled down by the cycle of development. But here you get to try out a new prototype idea, you get to test more. And again, because you're moving through that development cycle very fast, here's the caveat. When you're vibe coding, you're skipping many of the critical steps that were created for a reason, right? So when you're skipping those in enterprise apps, you're really opening the door for real risk here. Risk number 1, insecure defaults. When developing with AI, it often takes the path of least resistance. So let's say that you want to build a form that saves the data and then puts it into your database. It's very reasonable. The AI might send the user input directly into your database without checking or cleaning it first. This is what we call an injection vulnerability. It means somebody could sneak in a command and then delete your entire table. And I mean, your hard work is done. So what is the solution here? I would say tell your vibe coding tool of choice to parametricize queries. This means that the user inputs would be boxed in, and then you can't mess with your database commands. This prevents unexpected behavior, and then it protects against malicious input. Risk number 2, fake or broken authentication. AI might give you an app that has a login protection. However, it doesn't actually enforce it. For example, sometimes it might be checking for user permissions in the browser. And anybody can fake this by using the browser's built-in developer tools. So that means that anybody can have access to admin features just by flipping a switch inside the browser console, which is oops. So what are the solutions here? The first one, I would say, tell your vibe coding tool to use real authentication backed by secure protocols like SSO or auth. I would also check for vibe coding tools that in itself have sort of maybe a role-based permission. That way you can secure it for the entire app, not just on the front end. And then some people might just need different types of roles. That way you create different levels of security. So people might be editors, admin, viewers, etc. And I think the last one would also be check for a vibe coding tool that makes sure that your critical logic lives on the server side. Risk number 3, hard-coded secrets. I mean, sometimes AI be dropping some sensitive information like API keys and passwords into the code itself. It's not trying to be malicious intentionally, really. But that also means that when you publish that or share that up with anybody, they have access to those secrets. And that is really catastrophic. So I would say the solution here would be to tell your vibe coding tool of choice to store the secrets in a secure vault or an environment variable management system, never in your code. Another thing you can tell it is to only make the secrets accessible at runtime in the backend and also have them rotated regularly. Risk number 4, shady or made up dependencies. It's always really hilarious to me because AI might be suggesting that we install some libraries or packages that sound real, but don't actually exist. And attackers know this. They're really smart because they be registering fake names. And then if we just happen to install them, then we're actually installing malware. So what is the solution here? I say tell your vibe coding tool to use vetted and trusted components rather than installing random packages. How do you check this? Well, you can tell it to check for sources, maintenance history, and then also reputation before the installation. Risk number 5, no lag, no history. You build fast, you deploy fast. Something breaks, data disappears, but there's no log, there's no history, there's no idea what happened, who did it. So what is the solution here? I would say use a live coding tool platform that allows for audit logging across your app. So you can track the changes in your data, you can do app edits, the user actions, take account of everything, really. And then also I would say implement some version control. So either you tell it to implement it or just connect it to GitHub. That way you can roll back on the changes whenever needed. Risk number 6, apps that accidentally go public. So you build a tool, you connect it to live data, you share it with a teammate. The story's not done because somebody accidentally has access to it and whoops, an article is being written about you. So what is the solution here? I would say make it default to private access. I would also recommend defining the visibility levels across every step of your app. So this is where the role-based permission would actually come into place because you can have somebody be a viewer, editor, or an admin. Make the authentication mandatory before showing any data. Have it being built like that. Even when you're doing internal tools for your company, you should assume no trust. So, to summarize, the best practices for vibe coding securely, say, be specific when prompting AI. So, ask for secure parameters, not just make it work. Always review what you get back. So, do not assume that anything is ever secure just by default. Use a platform with security guardrails baked in. And then the last one I was saying, treat AI like a junior developer. It's very helpful. It's very fast, but might need some oversight. Now, to get serious for a second, to give you the conclusion here, I would say this knowledge is actually very exciting at the end of the day, and it is very powerful. I do believe in the potential of anybody being a builder and in helping them feel empowered. Experimentation also takes a new precedence because it doesn't have to be something that is completely forgotten or not encouraged, but rather something that you can just do within your own development time, which is really neat. Yet without structure, I do fear some people having a couple of headaches in some companies. With these tips, I do hope that they serve you of something and that whatever app you build next, you make sure that it has the right safety measures. So that way you can go at the speed of AI and at the same time feel confident that you're building something solid, right? So if you would like to read more about Retool's safety and secure practices, I will link something down below. Now, if you want a vibe coding platform that is able to handle all of these safety measurements that we spoke about without having to prompt for it, I would recommend that you check out Retool. And Retool AI allows you to lay out the components of your app. It also connects to your data, and whenever you're ready, you can deploy to production. So make sure to check out retool.com to get started. Thank you so much. This was very lovely, and I'll see you next time.